Let's do together about few more functions, more list nodes. First, we have to see this one and follow the steps. In general steps here, we are considering to do our jobs. So, editing softwares, deriving and Emacs we use a compiler GCC, and we should create a file which is a readme file, and we are going to do a Betty style comment when we want to comment using a Betty style, and then we should create a file called putcard.c file, and then a main.c file which is under a main.h. So a prototype all functions and prototype function putcard should be included in our header file, header file called main.h. All the prototype which is found in the project should be included in the main.h file. So let's start our work. First, the first question is an uppercase letter, an uppercase project in which the prototype is int I super int.c. It is a prototype, and the return file is 1 if C is an uppercase. You see? So if C is an uppercase, we should return 1. Otherwise, if the letter is not an uppercase, we should what? Zero. You should write zero. So the first thing we have to consider about is the GitHub repository. So we have a GitHub account which is created by a folder called Alex Low Level Programming, and there is a subdirectory which is a folder called this one, and then a file which is 0 and 4. Let's go to here, click here, and we have this one. Let's say alias. So I have a folder here, Alex Programming, Alex Low Level Programming. So copy it, and then cd paste. Then enter. So let's say alias. So which is not the folder, which is this one folder is not present in the system. So I have to copy and make a folder mkdir paste it, and then enter. So let's say alias. So there is a folder here. So this folder can be created. So let's paste it and cd. So we create this one. So let's see the project here. Our project has a prototype here, and we should create this file. This all the prototypes are found in the system. So this is one prototype. The other is, this is another prototype. Here it is. And then this is another prototype. You see? And then this is another prototype. And then this is another prototype. So we have to include all the prototypes in one file. So let's see, I have a prototype. Here it is. So include main.page. It is not this one. Here is a prototype. So let's see, the first is int code color. Let's see. Look at this. Look at the prototype here. The first prototype, this one. Here we go, this one. You see? This one. The second is this one. The third is this one. The fourth is this one. And so on. And so on. So this is all the prototypes files. So I have created this file in those minutes in our webcam. So let's say VI editor. I'm using VI editor. Let's say paste this one. So I have to copy this by clicking enter. Here it is an enter. Here, insert. When we click I, the insert column is coming. So let's copy this one. And then escape to save it, and dot colon WQ enter. So we are creating main.h file. So let's see this one, it is created, and then what we have left. Here we have to create this one. Put character in terms of libraries. You should create this one. So copy this one, and then VI paste it. No. Then I have this file, which is like this one. It is created for a pointer file. Let's copy this one, and then copy, paste. There it is pasted. Escape, colon, WQ, enter. We have created this one. The last one, which is I have to create is this one. Copy, and then paste here, And the function says that for this file, this one, if the letter is uppercase, if C is uppercase, we should return 1, if otherwise, there, otherwise, else is else. So I have created this for, yeah, there I. So let's see here, if uppercase letter is C, if C is an uppercase letter from A to Z, we should return 1. You see, if C greater than or equal to A, it is found between A and C. So if it is capital letter, I have to say 1, else it should return 0. This is the format. Okay, so now I have finished question number 1. What I have left is that this file should be created. This file. This is the first file should be listed in the system. So vi is it, and then copy this file, paste it to the, yeah, skip, save it. Now we are finished. We have finished our status. So the last bit, I have to compile these files by using this. So this file, the first file is here, that's the first file. The other, by this one, the main.c file, by this, and then this file is created, this. So I have to copy this one, copy zero main.c, that one, zero upper C, that one. That means I have shown this one is combine the system by using this one, yeah, this one, and this one, zero main.c, with this compiling file, with this compiling zero minus this is isupper script. It's in there. Right, so let's add it. Git add space git. There is something I have to left is that I have to create readme file vi. We should create readme. Let's copy this one and then paste here. Paste here. Enter. So what I have to write is that I can write the topic which is more nested loads. I can say that. So that is paste. I can say by clicking enter to make it C programming. Yeah, I have finished it. It can git add another git commit. Let's say the first question is this one. I think this one, like this one. Look, enter and get push. Now we have finished. First question, let's say is true or false. Let's click it. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So that's the way you can continue another watching a video I number one digits. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like it.